Buyers, do you want to stand out and get your offer accepted? Recent housing trends show the market is about to heat up as we move into spring. To stay ahead, you'll need to present a competitive and compelling offer. Hi, I'm Leah Bollier with Coast to Coast Properties and eXp Realty. Let me share some powerful strategies to help you secure your dream home. First, before you even start house hunting, meet with a trusted lender to confirm your financing and get fully underwritten. A basic pre-approval is good, but a fully underwritten pre-approval is a game changer. Being fully underwritten means your lender has already verified and approved your documents like pay stubs, bank statements, debits, and credit, making your offer as strong as cash. This step of being fully underwritten alone shows sellers you're serious and ready to close quickly. Then there's actual cash. We have all heard the phrase, cash is king. If you're in a position to make a full cash offer, you'll automatically stand out. A cash offer eliminates the uncertainty of a mortgage for sellers and can even speed up the closing process. But of course, not everyone is walking around with lots of cash. So if not, be sure to get that fully underwritten pre-approval. Next, you want to be flexible and strategic with your terms. Flexibility is key in a competitive market. Consider sweetening your offer, being accommodating to the seller's needs, whether it's a longer closing timeline or waiving minor contingencies. However, don't compromise too much. Contingencies like inspections, appraisals, and loan approvals are your safety net. So you want to have clarity on each one. It's all about balance, strong offers with smart protections. All of these strategies will put you as a buyer in a better and stronger position to get your offer accepted in a competitive housing market. And remember, this market moves fast, and so should you. Reach out to my team and I today so we can guide you through every step of the process. We will show you available inventory, pricing trends, and help you write an offer that stands out. I'm Leah Bollier, and my team and I are here to make your home ownership journey seamless and successful. Let's find your dream home together. Leave me a comment below or send me a private message and I'll reach out.